Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello Beshies! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, gagala tayo and we're in Ikea! So, kasama lang ako kala KR and Rose and Emmeline para mag-ikot-ikot dito and I'm gonna show you what they have. So, let's go! So, this is the gang! Hi Tita! Welcome to my channel! So, si Tita actually ang magsha-shopping. Sasabit lang kami. There you go. At matagal din nag-close ang IKEA dahil sa COVID. Pero ngayon, back to business na. Pero doon pa ang entrance sa kabilang init. So mainit na po dito sa Texas ngayon. Wala na ang snowstorm. Dumaan lang. And so welcome! Nauna ako, Besh. Ito ba yung free gamitin? O ito yung binibili? Okay, ta. See you later! See? So this is KR Kitchen. So guys, ito maging kitchen ko sa future. Ang ganda, di ba?
For now, it's empty because there's no stocks in the store.
So basically, ang IKEA, pinapakita nila sa'yo yung mga concepts and ideas on what can you do in your house. Tapos, each item na naka-display, you will have the price dito. Tapos, hahanapin mo. Kukunin mo na yung code, tapos hanapin mo siya kung saan mo siya makikita.
What's this?
Salt and pepper, I think, shaker.
There's more. Come here.
Okay, Imo will show us something. That's really nice.
It's too small.
They're so cute. The showroom salon. So ito ang partner ko ngayon. Yellow. Parehas na yellow. So we're in living room section. So each section has its own section. Charot. So living room, kitchen, office, mga ganyan ang peg nila. So ngayon, first station is sala or living room. So everything that you need in your living room, dito mo siya mahanap. So wala naman tayong bibilin, Besh. Iikot lang tayo, Besh. So let's go. My future office, ganon. Okay, this is like for work area naman. So desks, tables. Yeah, I love the concept. I love the mint. It's so refreshing. Coffee bar. Uy, I love this. 39 lang siya o 35 lang siya. Pang industrial concept na bahay. Yung every time na pupunta ka dito, ma-encourage ka na, oh, one day magkakaroon ako ng bahay, tapos bibili ako ng magamit dito. So, we're in bedroom section. So, tingnan, ganda na parang bulaklak.
Ano na ganun computer table?
Oh, okay lang. Oh, ang ganda oh. King size bed. Ang ganda ng kulay, no? See? I love it. Yung ano? Oh. And we're entering the kids section. Oh my goodness, Char. So this for DL mothers. Sa magiging nanay dyan soon. Dito po kayo bumili. It's so nice. And meron din silang dining hall. But I think for now closed sila. Pero their menu is good and cheap lang siya. Ba, yun nga, close siya. Ano yan? Sumasayaw? Gugutom? And we're going back to the market. So parang nasa gitna yung restaurant nila. What section is this? Kusina ata itong mga to. Ayan. So where we are, marketplace. So you see, this is we started where? Saan tayo?
Entrance. Sorry, entrance.
Yeah, so we started here. And we went to living room, we went to my couch, and then wall units, and then workplace, kitchen, dining hall. Ito. And saan na ba tayo? Hindi kang saan tayo. Ba, yan. Ching! So, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa cortina section. At bumili ako ng salamin para mas madali sa akin pag magugupin natin yung sarili ko. So, ikot-ikot lang tayo mga Beshie. Let's go. Okay na. And I think we're on the last section. We're in the plant section. They're a mix of artificial and real plants. Ayan, mga plantitas. Ayan, mga artificial lang yan. Pero marami ding silang totoong plants. There you go. Tapos dito na yung storage. So yung mga malalaking ang items na gusto mong bilihin, diyan mo na siya kukunin. Sabihin nyo lang kung anong aisle ang gusto nyo. Oops. So sa haba ng inikot namin, isa lang ang nabili. Salamin. So hinahanap na kayo ang kanyang mud bells. And that's pretty much it.
Wala na.
Ayun si tita. Ay. So buti na lang wala siya ng tao ngayon. Tita, na kumpleto na yung listahan mo? Yan na. Plantita din talaga si tita, oh. May paso siya.
Walang plants na yan.
Ay, walang plants. Last but not the least, let's check the clearance section. Aside na ito, mga 50 to 70% off lahat. I think ito yung mga binabalik after nila bilhin yung mga return items. Kaya pwede pa naman. So, let's go. $75 lang. See? $75 lang siya, Beth.
This is cheap.
Lang.
Like,
$199. Anong defect niya? 83.
I think the scratch over here.
Ayun, may scratch.
Yes.
shopping na... Do I pay here? Ah, here. Sorry. So, palabas na kami, guys. Thank you for... Ingay. Taga-outro ako eh. So, palabas na kami, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Beshies. Thank you. Mwah. Ang init.